Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be shooting a Subaru WRX and I'm just going to walk you through the photo shoot and how I take photos of the car. So in about a couple hours if my client's going to come to the spot and I'll see you there. So anyways guys, so that's a wrap up for today's photo shoot. I could not show you the sunset shots because of weather. I couldn't like record the whole thing, but I did show you the main spot, the main first spot that I took the client to, which is a very big forest near where I live. And in front of that, the place I shot, that's an underdeveloped apartment complex. It's still in like the land is leased out and all that. The next thing, the construction company is basically going to come in and they're going to build a whole apartment on it. But until then, I have a dope spot for WRX or any type of rally car out there, or off-road trucks and things like that. I really like the spot because that forest, all those trees in the background really fit the car, because as you know, WRXs are known for their rally heritage. So I just thought it would be a nice spot to take the car to because it really fits the location very well. For the whole thing, I used a Canon 50mm f1.8 with a polarizer on. So it saturated a lot of the colors because I had that polarizer on. It got rid of a lot of the reflections because the sun was peeking through from the side of the car, as you can tell, and because of that there would have been a lot of reflections on that side of the car. But because I used a polarizing filter, it really got rid of all that. It canceled out the reflections and made the colors very saturated and very vibrant, and the colors in the background of the forest and the trees and everything and the sky that became a little bit dark, which is very nice that the polarizer can do that. So I highly recommend that you use a polarizer when possible because it's really gonna make your photos that much more better. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments below what you think of the photos because I really love to know your thoughts on this. This is my first photo shoot that I'm recording. Like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.